So today's video focuses on finding the gradient of a straight line when given 2 points. And you should note that the gradient is also known as the slope. So whenever you encounter the name slope or a gradient, so you should understand that they mean the same. So whenever given 2 points, like this point, you have point A, point B, and you are required to find the gradient of that straight line. The formula you use is the change in y coordinate divided by the change in x coordinates. So let's check how we can be able to find the slope of a straight line given 2 points. So let's calculate the change in y coordinates and then divide them by the change in x coordinates. So we can name this one is the x coordinate, this one is the y coordinate, this one is the x coordinate, this one is y coordinate. So this one can be named as x1, y1, x2, y2. So to find the change in y coordinate, you will have to apply this formula, y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So this one is the change in y coordinate divided by the change in x coordinates. So our x2 is n minus negative b. So we have two negative signs following each other consecutively. So this one becomes positive divided by our x2 is m minus our x1 is a. So since we cannot simplify this one further, it remains as n plus b divided by m minus a. Our Roman 2, we have points 3, 2, which is point C, and point E, negative 1, 1. So we can name this one x1, y1, this one as x2, y2. Let's apply the same formula to calculate the gradients. So our y2 is 1 minus our y1 is 2. This is the change in y coordinate. Our x2 is negative 1. Our x1 is 3. So minus 3. So this one gives us negative 1 over negative 4. So this one simplifies, brings a quarter. So our gradient for that case is a quarter. So we have our point P, which has point 2, negative 4, point Q as 0, negative 6. So let's apply the same formula to calculate the gradient or the slope. So this one can be x1, y1, x2, y2. This is y2 minus y1. This one is 6 minus negative 4 divided by 0 minus 2, which is x2 minus x1. So we have two consecutive negative signs following each other. So this one becomes positive. So this one becomes 6 plus 4. This one is 10 divided by 0 minus 2 is negative 2. So 10 divided by negative 2, this one gives us 5. We have this case 3, negative 3 quarter, 4 over 5. That is point M. Point N is half and 3 over 10. That is our point MN. Line MN, I mean. So calculate the gradient. One is x1, y1. One is x2, y2. y2 minus y1. This one will be 3 over 10 minus 4 over 5. So this one will be So let's calculate this one. 3 over 10 minus 4 over 5. LCM of 10 and 5 will be 10. 10 divided by 10 multiplied by 3. This one will be 3 minus 10 divided by 5. This one is 2 multiplied by 4. This one will be 8. So 3 minus 8. This one is 5. Negative 5 divided by 10. Simplify this one further. It will be negative 1 over 2. So this one is y coordinate change is negative 1 over 2. So let's calculate the x1, x2 minus x1. This one will be, so this one will be half minus negative 3 over 4. So this one will be positive. So if you add this one, you'll find that it will be, this one is 4 divided by 2 is 2 multiplied by 1 is 2 plus 4 divided by 4 is 1 multiplied by 3 is 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 over 4. So our change in x coordinate is 5 over 4. So let's now divide our y coordinate by x coordinate. So this one will be half divided by 5 over 4. So this one will be negative 1 over 2 multiplied by 5. The reciprocal of this one now will be 4 over 5. So this one will finally give us 4 over 10, negative 4 over 10. This one, if you simplify it further, it will be negative 2 over 5. So that's it about finding the gradient of a straight line given 2 points. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching my content. Do subscribe to my channel. Remember to turn on the notification bell to get notified anytime I upload a new video. Thank you.